Hello friends, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. My name is Justin, sales manager of K Hair. Last week, I received so many questions about how to keep your bone straight hair extensions in the best conditions. Today, I'm back and I will suggest the best way to you. So let's start with the intro. My clients often choose bone straight hair extension because they think that bone straight hair will not need daily care. However, this is not true. To maintain the beauty of bone straight hair extension, you need to do at least 3 simple ways below. First, brush your hair regularly every day. Brushing your bone straight hair extension regularly every day not only helps you limit the problems of tangled hair, which leads to breakable, but also help you remove dirt from your hair. However, be aware that you should brush your hair gently. Also, you should use hair serum for bone straight hair extensions. Many people think that we only need to use hair serum for curly hair. This is not true. Even with bone straight hair extension, you should use hair serum to keep hair strong, shiny, and smooth. Finally, I will reveal to you the most important thing to keep your bone straight hair extensions in the best conditions. You should use hair straightener for your bone straight hair extensions. After using, your bone straight hair extension may no longer keep the original style and beauty, and they will no longer be as smooth as when you first bought them. You just need to part your hair to strengthen them. I guarantee that your bone straight hair extension will look the same as when you buy it. Now, I'm sure that you have the answer to the questions of how to keep your bone straight hair in the best conditions. However, remember that you need to take care of your bone straight hair extensions every day. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below this video or message me via this WhatsApp. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair. Thank you and see you again.